I've got the wires disconnected going to the gauge inside, and I got me a jumper. Go down to the starter. I disconnected the foot pedal spring. That way it's easier to mash against the starter to get it to turn over. And I've put gas in the carburetor. And let's just see what it does. I'm gonna hook the hot water back down to the starter. All right. How about that? After 50 years, she can't cranks and runs. The only thing is, I think I need to take and pull the valve cover off and make sure I'm getting oil at the top of the motor. But this is Jack down here at Jack's Service Center in Alp, Alabama.